Hello everyone. In my last video, I discussed about how to display the distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor on the LCD display. But today I'm going to talk about this tiny 0.96-inch OLED display which you have been probably using in your projects. Now on the LCD screens we have a backlight here which shines on the liquid crystal and lit up the entire screen. But one of the drawbacks of this LCD is that we can display only 32 characters at once. You can see 2 rows are there and 16 columns. So total 32 characters can be displayed at once. So unlike LCD, we can display more data on this tiny OLED screen and each pixel generates its own light. It does not depend on any kind of backlight, right? So the OLED screen is far better than the LCD in terms of high contrast, true black level and low power consumption. Because the OLED screen has got black screen and obviously black screen consumes less power. Now OLED display comes in various sizes like 0.96 inch, the one that I have, 1.5 inch, 2.42 inch, and some OLED displays are also RGB in nature, but they are a bit expensive. And we can display some of the cool animations on the OLED screen, which are given in this Arduino IDE. So click on Files, Examples, and scroll down to search for Adafruit SSD 1306 and select whatever the specification of the OLED screen that you have. So I am having this 128 by 32 I2C display, so I am selecting it. Now in this program you can see this is the width in pixels and this is the height, and this 0x3C is the I2C address. So let's upload this in the Arduino. So this is how the output of the program is working. You can see various animations are being displayed on the OLED screen. So I hope the overview of the OLED screen is clear to you, and let me know in the comment section what next project do you want me to build using this OLED screen. And still, if you have any doubt regarding this video, let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching this video.